Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talking about this is a great news to all of the Ford's customers because they now have access to Tesla Supercharger, which is great news. All right, so and this is straight off of Ford's website. Ford customers can now charge on Tesla Superchargers in the US and Canada, which is awesome news. So I'm going to read through this. Today, Ford's F-150 Lightning and Mustang Mach-E retail customers are the first of any non-Tesla automaker to gain access to Tesla Superchargers across the US and Canada. According to a Cox Automotive Consumer Sentiment Study, lack of charging stations is the second largest barrier after price when it comes to purchasing an electric vehicle. As EV prices come down, improving access to reliable fast charging is critical to help more customers confidently choose an EV. The 15,000 plus available Tesla Superchargers more than double customers' access to reliable DC fast charging on the Blue Oval Charge Network. Ford is saying thank you to its electric vehicle customers by making the fast charging adapter available at no cost to new and existing customers enrolled in the Blue Oval Charge Network through June 30th, 2024. The adapter is required to charge at a upgraded Tesla Supercharger. Ford retail EV customers are the first in the industry to have the opportunity to order the fast charging adapter. So if you're one of them, you can click here and reserve your adapter. So retail customer will be eligible to receive a complimentary adapter if ordered by June 30th, 2024. Future Ford EV customers can purchase the adapter from Ford for $230, including estimated tax and shipping. Ford Pro commercial customer will be contacted by this spring by mail at the address registered with Ford Pro or via the Ford Pro account manager to order the adapter. Wow, look at this. And this is the statement from Ford CEO. Starting today, Ford EV customers will have access to more than 15,000 Tesla Superchargers across the United States and Canada, more than doubling fast charging options on the Blue Oval Charge Network. This move will improve the public charging experience by giving our customers even more choice and is a vital part of our growth as an EV brand. I would like to thank Elon and the Tesla team for their close collaborations and Tesla leadership to help change the lives of so many EV customers through improved access to charging. Ford's President and CEO Jim Farley. All right, so yeah, so this pretty much that a lot of other companies also sign up with this as well too. So eventually, more and more companies will have access to Tesla Supercharger. And I'm not sure if that's going to be a good thing for the current Tesla owners because so far I usually go to the one in West Covina and maybe like only twice where there was a line. And the good thing on the with the app is before you even get there, it notifies you that there's a line there. And they'll direct you or suggest you to another supercharger maybe nearby there where there's no line for you. But with this, more and more, so hopefully with a lot of people sign up and with a lot of EV manufacturers, and hopefully Tesla do get some kind of incentive or money out of this so that way they can even expand more charging stations across the US or even the world, you know what I mean? Because as we know, EV is the way to go, and hopefully for the best. So, and hopefully that, there's no wait for the current Tesla owner like myself, but other that for the Ford owners and customers and more down the line, maybe GM, Rivians, well, they all will have access to Tesla Supercharger. I think Tesla Supercharger Network is great, and Elon is doing great at this, and he's like a pioneer, and hopefully he's gonna make the lives of every EV's owner better. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like or subscribe for more Teslas and EVs related content. Thank you and take care.